The new page of technology and art, producing state. Qinme enjoys high reputation in China's sewing machine and accessories line. Shenzhen Qinme Sewing Equipment Company Limited was founded in 1993. It is a professional sewing equipment manufacturer integrated with research, production, and sales. At present, it mainly produces feet-off-the-arm sewing machine, such as 4-needle 6-thread series, 35,800 series, interlock sewing machine series, etc. A variety type of special industrial sewing machine. The products have been sold all over the world. On the principle of Excelsior, technical innovation, customer first, the company gives the old and new customer high efficiency and high quality service. 20 years along the way, Qinme is growing all the time. It now owns an existing area of 4,800 square meters modern plant, has a high quality, high technology, good management, and good sales team. It has various types of mechanical processing equipment such as CNC lathe, milling, grinding, drilling, etc. It has all kinds of advanced technology, excellent quality, scientific management, and perfect service. It gradually becomes the first-class domestic sewing machine equipment manufacturer. Research and quality is the life for enterprises' sustainable development. Qinme owns a research team of more than 40 engineers. The company established a set of perfect quality management system, from the machine's development and design, to the production of parts, the whole machine's assemble, and after-sales tracking service. The company always carry out the value, take technology and innovation as sold, take quality as guarantee. It continues to bring in advanced intelligent CNC machine and detecting instrument from domestic and abroad. Use computer control technology as support. Strengthen the quality management system. Optimize the production process, and persist in the line of quality control. The company has passed the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System in 2011. Qinme has established the moral ideas of people-oriented and the right man in the right place. It respects every employee, arouse every employee's potential. The company non-scheduled organize various activities, carry out special skills training, and encourage innovation. Everyone feels harmony in the company. They together create a united, progressive, and harmonious team, which fit the market competition and fit the company's steady development. Standing on the new starting point, Qinme will insist the mission as in the past. Create value for customers, think of employees, and bear social responsibility. It is determined to create new sewing brand in domestic and abroad.